little thing, isn't she? So let's start up here with the head. Right about there, like that. She's got a nice round head like this. There we go, that's looking good. Some ears right about here and here. And we don't want to forget our pigtails. That's right. We'll do this right just like that. There we go. And the same on the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4. All the little zigzaggy bits of the hair. And then we'll continue the hair here. Make it all zigzaggy like. That's a lot of fun. There we go. And Pinkalicious has got some eyebrows here, just like that. A dot for her eyes. Very nice, everybody. A little funny nose like that. And a big old smile. That's looking good. Now we can draw her neck. Just like that. That's so easy, isn't it? There we go. And now we can make our pink dress. Just like this with some fun frills there. A shoulder here. Another shoulder here like this. The beginning of her arm right about there, and continue her shoulder there like that. And here we'll draw her dress down like this. Very good. This way like that. Make them meet up right about there. Looking nice, everybody. And then we continue her arms like this. So we'll put our hands on her hips. 1. There we go. A thumb. And some fingers. Looking nice. Let's bring the arm up like that. And bring it back up to her shoulder. Very good, everybody. And then we'll make another little puffy shoulder over here like this. There we go. And we can do the same over here with this arm. Just like this and that. The other hand on her hip as well. 1, 2, 3, 4. And a thumb there. Looking nice. Bring it on up. Connect to the shoulder. Very good, everybody. Now we'll bring our dress all the way down. A little wavy like. And join it on up. Very sweet. Now Pinkalicious has got some flowers for buttons here from what I can see. Just like this. We'll make some fun flowers here. Just like that. 3 of them. All the beautiful petals. This is looking good, everybody. Here we go. Almost done the flowers. Very nice. And now we can draw her legs. Coming down like this. And it. 1, 2. With some cute little socks. Right at the back here. There we go. Give them a little bit of a wavy bit there. And now we can draw her shoes. Just like this. And down like this. Little heels. Join them up like that. Very good. And we'll continue the strap like this. There we go, everybody. It's Pinkalicious. Let's get to all this pink, beautiful color. Light skin color. Brown hair. Light pink shoulders and cheeks. Pink dress. Yellow for her flower buttons. And black shoes. Thanks, everyone.